Here's some electron microscopy trivia. Subscribe. What principle is used for imaging in electron microscopy? Is it A, Newton's laws, B, quantum entanglement, C, classical mechanics, or D, wave-particle duality? The correct answer is D, wave-particle duality. In what year was the first electron microscope developed? Is it A, 1931, B, 1928, C, 1935, or D, 1940? The correct answer is A, 1931. What technique enhances contrast in electron microscopy? Is it A, fusion, B, staining, C, lensing, or D, amplification? The correct answer is B, staining. What type of electrons are primarily used in SEM? Is it A, backscattered electrons, B, cathodoluminescent electrons, C, thermal electrons, or D, photoelectrons? The correct answer is A, backscattered electrons. What materials are often used for electron microscopy grids? Is it A, copper or nickel, B, silver, C, lead, or D, iron? The correct answer is A, copper or nickel. What imaging technique combines light and electron microscopy? Is it A, phase contrast microscopy, B, life cycle imaging, C, correlative microscopy, or D, fluorescence imaging? The correct answer is C, correlative microscopy. What gas is often used as an imaging medium in phoebsium? Is it A, gallium, B, neon, C, argon, or D, xenon? The correct answer is A, gallium. What characterizes the vacuum in electron microscopy? Is it A, heat dissipation, B, image resolution, C, required for electron travel, or D, air pressure control? The correct answer is C, required for electron travel. What type of microscope provides a view of surface features? Is it A, transmission electron microscope, B, light microscope, C, scanning electron microscope, or D, compound microscope? The correct answer is C, scanning electron microscope. What does the term electron cryomicroscopy refer to? Is it A, analyzing gas emissions, B, collecting data underwater, C, using laser beams, or D, freezing samples before imaging? The correct answer is D, freezing samples before imaging. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.